What if I told you there was a simple 3-second rule that allowed men to captivate attractive women instantly, before even saying a word? It may sound unlikely, but years of research into female psychology, biology, and behavioral cues have unlocked this seductive secret. Keep reading to master the subtle art of triggering visceral attraction in moments by optimizing your appearance, body language, and demeanor. With time and calibration, the 3-second rule grants men an effortless allure, helping beautiful women find them completely irresistible upon first sight. Let the magnetism begin. The evolutionary roots of female desire. Understanding and triggering female interest begins with deep foundations. While socio-cultural influences certainly play a role in shaping attraction, science reveals powerful evolutionary roots driving women's desire and mate selection even today. Traits like physical strength, social status, ambition, emotional intelligence, and confident personality have long signaled male genetic fitness. Men manifesting these qualities inspired instinctive chase responses, improving subsequent offspring survival likelihood. Though modern realities differ vastly from primitive times, ladies still experience automatic reactions equating alpha male traits with desirability at a subcognitive level. Learning how to strategically display these qualities using the 3-second rule shortcuts women's typical evaluation process and inspires immediate intrigue and captivation. Become her evolutionary fantasy brought to life. Optimize your physicality. While challenging to impact overnight, honing an attractive physical presence creates primal attraction by signaling foundational health and vitality. Regular exercise, healthy nutrition, and optimal sleep nourish a strong, symmetrical physique and vibrant energy, broadcasting virility. Beyond innate genetic luck, though, little touches can further perfect appearance. Well-fitting clothing accentuating broad shoulders and a narrow waist displays masculine contours women find seductive. Pleasant subtle cologne avoids overpowering delicate senses yet marks alluring scent signature she'll come to eagerly anticipate when you're near. Even fossicking dental touch-ups like teeth whitening brighten smile dynamism, drawing admiring eyes. Though intensive laborious physical makeovers take time, adopting healthy, sustainable lifestyle habits guided by style consulting evolves basic looks into dashing attraction catalysts. By working with biological truths rather than against them, ordinary men transform into striking sirens, capturing female notice within seconds. Set strong first impressions instantly with an optimized masculine image. Master nonverbal communication cues. Equally pivotal as appearance, though woefully neglected by most men, is perfecting nonverbal communication for enchanting impact. Studies show body language, facial expressions, eye contact, and similar covert signals constitute bulk of human communication, massively influencing emotional responses and first impressions. Whereas verbal language risks deception, nonverbal messages prove difficult repressing for even master deceivers. Fortunately, research reveals straightforward body language adjustments setting instinctive female ease and interest almost immediately. Simply standing with straight posture, shoulders back, and head held high displays openness and confidence women find magnetically appealing. Maintaining direct but not overbearing eye contact communicates candid interest and assurance. Smiling subtly when appropriate combined with affirmative head nods marks thoughtful, encouraging participation. Even seated, angling toward a woman, extending open palms, and leaning slightly inward flags engaged enthusiasm, putting her relaxed. Mastering nonverbal dynamics expresses volumes before uttering a single word. Cultivate an alluring presence. Undergirding optimized looks and actions, the most powerful trait of extraordinarily seductive men is profound grounded presence. By staying rooted in the moment, pulsating with passion and positive energy while interacting meaningfully, ladies get sucked into their intriguing reality and self-possession. Presence originates internally yet infuses interactions with heightened substance that even strangers can sense. Some combination of charm, intellect, wit, and confidence converges into an almost spiritually dynamic ambience, shifting reality's very atmosphere. Undeniably magnetic personalities make heads turn and hearts race, craving deeper connections. While innate to degree and learnable through techniques like mindfulness meditation, cultivating intriguing presence apart from appearances and gimmicks should be every man's supreme seduction priority. Women instantly sense wellspring depths and become helplessly pulled by their profound gravity. Stop chasing ladies and have them flock to you instead. The fail-proof 3-second rule for instant allure. Integrating science-backed insights across feminine psychology, evolutionary biology, and behavioral dynamics, capturing immediate interest simplifies to a dependable 3-second rule optimized men can enact reflexively. Within moments of seeing any intriguing woman, hold strong posture while subtly smiling to signal confidence and warmth. Pause any unnecessary movement to project poise while maintaining relaxed eye contact to keep her attention. Send dual messages of friendly affirmation but quiet self-composure, hinting alluring depth. Hold this dynamic gaze silently as you envision positive intent. If she averts her eyes briefly before re-establishing contact, she has non-verbally acknowledged your potential. You may now approach, maintaining relaxed demeanor and enriching mindset, ideally having practiced witty talking points should conversation commence. Pretend you've known her for years to avoid nervousness. Follow her conversational lead while sprinkling thoughtful questions and amusing comments that brighten her emotions. With practice, this eventually feels natural rather than mechanical. Stay relaxed and lead where appropriate to guide her along pathway toward captivation. The art of calibration. Of course, seduction requires calibration and avoiding universal rules, failing personalized nuances. Glean clues from body language, culture, and context to refine approaches, ensuring receptivity. Familiarity breeds fondness, so frequent polite venues giving exposure time to nurture intrigue through aggregated micro-interactions. With abundant practice, the 3-second rule becomes effortless gateway to grander romantic possibilities. Soon you'll be enjoying newfound abundance mentality as once indifferent females transform into drawn admirers seeking your attention. But remain discreet, avoiding over-broadcasting newfound powers. Let her private journey toward pursuit manifest naturally, free of engineered force. Actively inspire the chase through subcommunication savvy rather than clumsy overt persuasion tactics. Continue presenting authentic optimal self until reciprocal magnetism secures seamless bonding. A new world of possibility. Rather than perceived randomness, female attraction follows comprehensible trends any man can consciously harness. Slight appearance tweaks carry disproportionate weight through association halos. Nonverbals dictate emotional interpretations before logic intervenes. Subtly intriguing presence creates urgent longings surpassing understanding. Once believed immutable laws governing dynamics suddenly transform into flexible probabilities responsive to who leads interaction and how. Stop leaving courtship to chance. Internalize the fundamentals with deliberate practice until applying them becomes second nature. Embrace trial and error, adjusting and refining approaches based on real responses. Have patience, persisting through necessary awkward learning phases before mastery emerges. Soon you will lock eyes with beautiful women and watch attraction blossom in real time right before your eyes. That life-transforming moment when her gaze lingers a few seconds longer finally hints at existence's greatest secret. Any woman can be instantly enchanted once you unlock secrets of desire written into her very biological source code. Attracting women need not remain mysterious, random, or demanding. Simple foundations spanning appearance optimization, body language mastery, and intriguing presence quickly signal desirable alpha male traits to short-circuit her assessment process. Practice until the 3-second rule for instant intrigue becomes reflexive habit. Drink in abundant romantic possibilities previously hidden in plain sight. Approach anxious courtships with calm confidence as you seize control, steering outcomes favorably through subcommunication savvy. Make instant magnetism your automatic realty rather than lucky anomaly. Subtly capture her imagination first, then her heart will surrender itself completely. The keys to the castle have now been placed right into your hands. If you enjoyed this video, show some love by hitting that like button. We always appreciate your feedback, so let us know your biggest takeaways in the comments. If you know someone who would benefit from this advice, feel free to pass it along. And if you'd like to show your support for our channel, you can use the Super Thanks feature down below. Your support means the world to us. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Stay tuned for more coming your way soon. Until next time.